a bill in the legislature would ban elective abortions in Utah.
As Fox 13's Ben Winslow reports on the Hill, it is already drawing protests.
The bill would prohibit all elective abortions in the state of Utah except in rare circumstances. It's the latest in a series of anti-abortion bills being introduced in the state legislature.
I am hopeful that we are getting to a point that we no longer view favorably the killing of our unborn. That's the reason we brought the bill.
Senator Dan McKay's bill prohibits all elective abortions in Utah. It includes carve-outs for the death of the woman, rape, incest, or a lethal defect is diagnosed by 2 physicians. But any doctor that performs an abortion otherwise would be committing a second-degree felony, punishable by prison time. It won't take effect until the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, the landmark abortion rights case.
And it would put Utah on the record as knowing that that's where we would be if it was ever overruled.
It's the latest bill in the Utah state legislature to challenge abortion rights. There are bills to have a woman decide what to do with the remains of a miscarried or aborted fetus and require women to listen to the heartbeat of an ultrasound before an abortion.
In the last 45 years, Utah lawmakers have passed 30 new restrictions on abortion access.
Advocates for a woman's right to choose blasted the bills, sharing a poll they say shows Utahns overwhelmingly favor comprehensive sex ed and access to birth control.
8 out of 10 Utahns do not want additional restrictions on abortion.
They're also planning to fight anti-abortion bills in the legislature.
And the last thing they need is politicians interfering in personal medical decisions.
Meanwhile, the Senate did vote for a bill to allow Medicaid to pay for birth control, but Republican senators demanded it not involve minors without parental consent. The bill's sponsor says it's good policy.
We'd like to prevent abortion in the state of Utah. You do that by providing services and being proactive.
Now, Senator McKay's bill has just been introduced in the legislature. It's expected to get a hearing sometime in the next week or so. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.